Have you ever wondered how to make some serious cash through affiliate marketing? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm about to reveal the ultimate guide to making money through Pinterest affiliate marketing. So, what exactly is Pinterest affiliate marketing all about? How much can you earn with this powerful strategy? In this video, I'll walk you through the ins and outs of affiliate marketing on Pinterest, revealing the step-by-step process to set it up successfully. Get ready to discover the top strategies, affiliate programs, and insider tips to maximize your earnings on this underrated platform. Now stay tuned because I'm about to discuss the secrets to monetizing Pinterest like never heard before. Now, you might be wondering, why Pinterest? Well, think about it. You've got Instagram and blogs. Yeah, they're still big in 2024. But why Pinterest? Because it's huge. 500 million folks use it monthly. That's more than the entire US population and a big chunk of the world. Now, who's hanging out there? Mostly ladies. Now let's dive in. Choose a niche. When you think of Pinterest, you might picture stuff like fashion, home decor, or cooking, those big, popular topics. But guess what? They're kind of crowded. Lots of creators are posting about fashion and stuff, which means harder competition for you. So here's what you need to do. Think smaller. Focus on specific topics and find a niche with low competition that has a good search volume. Let's say you love gardening and know some kinds of stuff. Then, making content about gardening will be something easy for you. Plus, there are millions of gardening enthusiasts out there. And if you're a guy, I know you're not gonna jump into women's fashion because that's just not your thing. Stick to what you know and like. Maybe it's reading, camping, whatever floats your boat. Start with one niche. Just a reminder though, this isn't a magic money machine. It takes time, but it is sure worth it. You might not make a dime this month or the next, but with patience, you could be raking it in down the line. No guarantees, but it's happened before. Here's the beauty. With affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you're not shelling out tons of cash up front. So, if things don't plan out, you haven't lost much. So, pick a niche. Let's say something like gardening for all. Find what you love and what you know and go from there. Now that you've chosen your niche already, it's time to find products to promote. But wait, before you start creating content, you gotta figure out what products you want to promote. First off, there's this cool thing called Amazon Associates. You get to share links to products you love, and if someone buys through your link, you earn a little something. Easy, right? Just make sure you have a legit website before you sign up though. Amazon wants to know you're the real deal. So, how do you make a website? Well, there's this nifty tool called Squarespace. It's like building a digital clubhouse for your brand. You pick a theme, add your gardening flair, and voila! You're almost ready to roll. Now, on to the fun part, choosing your products. With Amazon Associates, you can earn anywhere from 1% to 8% commission on sales. Not bad, huh? But don't stop there. Google is your best friend. Just type in best gardening affiliate programs and you'll uncover a treasure trove of opportunities. Some of these programs offer even higher commissions than Amazon. Oh, and don't forget to snatch up on those social media handles because it's all about building that brand people trust. Alright, now let's talk numbers. Imagine you're pinning about the top 10 tomato strains and someone splurges $100 on seeds. Cha-ching! You just made an $8 commission. And guess what? Gardening goodies often fetch higher commissions than, say, video games. So it's like planting seeds of income. But wait, there's more. Some affiliate programs outside of Amazon pay hefty commissions, like 25% or even more. That's like hitting the jackpot in the gardening world. So, here's the game plan. Build your Squarespace site, lock in those social handles, sign up for Amazon Associates, and then scout other affiliate programs for even juicier deals. Remember, this isn't just about making a quick buck, it's about crafting a brand people adore. So, you've done finding products to promote. Now it's time to make a professional account. First things first, let's talk about making your Pinterest account look super professional. Remember, this is your digital storefront, so you want it to shine bright like a diamond. We're talking about getting those graphics on point, setting up your profile photo, and snagging a cool logo. But hold up. Before we get into all that design stuff, you need to make sure your account is set up as a business account. Plus, it shows everyone you mean business. Alright, let's head over to Pinterest. Assuming you've already got an account, if not, no worries, just sign up real quick. Once you're in, it's time to upgrade to a business account. Don't worry, it's free. They'll ask you a few questions about your business, just fill them out, no biggie. Now let's jazz up that profile. Ever heard of Canva? It's like your best friend when it comes to making awesome graphics for free. Head over there and start playing around with designs for your logo and banner. Once you've got your logo looking fresh and your banner popping, upload them to Pinterest. Boom, your profile is starting to look legit. But wait, there's more. You gotta fill out your profile info too. Write a little blurb about what you do, who you are, and all that good stuff. And if you're feeling stuck, ChatGPT's got your back for some ideas. Now that your profile is looking fly, it's time to start pinning like a pro. But hold your horses. We're not just pinning random stuff here, we're creating content that speaks to your audience. Head back to Canva and start crafting some killer pins. They've even got templates specifically for Pinterest. How cool is that? Remember, consistency is key. You want to be pinning regularly to keep your audience engaged. And don't forget to sprinkle in some of your own content too. Show off what you've got. One more thing, make sure you've got your website linked up. This is where you can really start driving traffic and making those affiliate connections. Squarespace is a great option for setting up a website. Plus, they've got this neat feature called Link in Bio that you can use to direct people to all of your favorite products. So, you've set up your website and joined affiliate programs, and now it's time to create an affiliate content. First things first, don't go pin crazy right off the bat. Pinterest doesn't like it when you spam and it might get you into trouble. Start slow, maybe a couple of boards with a handful of pins each. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Now, let's get to the fun part, creating pins. Fire up Canva or any other design tool you like, and let's make magic happen. Pick a template, upload some eye-catching images, and make sure they're copyright-free, and sprinkle in some catchy text. And voila, you've got your first pin ready to roll. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about keywords. Pinterest is like a search engine, so you want to stuff your pin descriptions with relevant keywords. Think about what people might be searching for when they're looking for your product or niche. The more keywords, the better. When it comes to links, play by the rules. Pinterest doesn't like link cloaking, so be transparent about where you're sending people. Whether it's your blog post or an affiliate link, just be upfront about it. Now, let's talk about boards. Create boards that reflect your niche, whether it's gardening, fashion, or cooking. Be strategic with your board names and descriptions, and don't forget to add some tags for extra visibility. Once your pin is ready to go, publish it on your board and watch the magic happen. But remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to see results, so be patient and keep at it. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to take inspiration from others. Look at what's working for other affiliate marketers on Pinterest and put your own spin on it. Just don't straight up copy them. So, there you have it. A crash course in affiliate marketing on Pinterest. It's a game changer if you're willing to put in the time and effort. Remember to choose a niche wisely, focusing on areas with lower competition and higher search volume. Then find products to promote strategically, make your Pinterest account look professional, and create engaging affiliate content. Just be patient as success takes time. Start your journey towards Pinterest affiliate marketing success today by implementing the strategies discussed in this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to boost your online income. I'll see you in the next video.